custom search ranking is quite interesting. So in case you have a marketplace where you, for example, have a very, like a smaller group of providers, for example, a freelance marketplace where you want to curate your supply very carefully, you could also have a setup where you completely decide the order of the listings appear on your search page. So basically, they are not sorted by newest, oldest, lowest price, or any of the default settings, but they only have this one custom sorting order that you decide. This is something that with the no-code tools requires some upkeep and some manual steps, but it still gives you quite a powerful tool to direct customers and highlight the supply that you think is best at that moment based on your own criteria. For example, but who has availability or who has been doing good projects recently or whatever your ranking algorithm would require. So for that, I created a search ranking for our Yoga Time test marketplace. The listing field ID is ranking, field name is search ranking, access level, again, metadata. The important part here is that the custom ranking can only be achieved with the number field type, where you basically assign a number to each listing separately to order them, to place them in a specific order on the search page. This is not something that I'll display on the listing page. It's not something that customers need to see. It's just something that they experience when they come to the search page. In the search settings, we'll obviously enable this field for search. And then for the number field type, we have this option, add a sorting option to the search page. Here, we'll use it as a primary sorting option. This will be our only sorting option. More on that in a second. And then the sorting order is just high to low. So the higher number somebody has in their ranking metadata, the higher they will be placed on the search page. To make this the only sorting option that we have, we'll also need to update our listing search settings. So here, when we disable all of the default sorting options, so these are the options that are available by default in all Sharetribe marketplaces, then the only sorting option that's set up, which in this case is ranking, will be used as the default sorting option without any sorting dropdown appearing on the marketplace. Let's check out the search page now. So this is what my search page looks like currently. Here, if you had more sorting options enabled, you would see a sorting option dropdown. But in this case, we have set our own custom sorting order, which we will find over here. So these are listings that I've assigned a number to. And for example, here we have a yoga for stress relief that has the ranking 8. Here, breathe and align custom yoga ranking 9. Currently, my highest ranking is 10. So we can see breathe and align yoga here second in our search page. Ashtanga yoga with Shay has the number 10, 9, 8, 7, and so forth. Anything that doesn't have a ranking set separately, which I haven't done yet for these, is just placed below anything below the smallest number that has been set as the metadata. And then when you would want to move someone up the listing ranking, which we can actually do, let's see. Let's say that prenatal yoga with Mira is now our highest ranking 1. We can assign it the ranking 10 or actually 11 in this case. And then after changing that, when we update our page, now prenatal yoga with Mira is the top listing. This could be something that through a Stripe payment page, you could, for example, even monetize. So when people pay to be bumped to the top of a list of the listing search page, you assign them the highest ranking in your metadata, and then they are bumped to the top until somebody else pays that, and so on. Yeah, so that's custom sorting.